Let's go outside, the snow is falling down in every...
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen, and today I'm going to be doing a few different gift basket ideas. Everything is from the Dollar Tree. I found some name brand items, I found some movies, I found some really cool, awesome gift ideas for you guys. It's for all ages. You can give them to your mom, your kid, your grandma. I just covered it all for you. So I'm going to show you guys my simple under $10 Dollar Tree gift idea basket. This first one, I found some really cute frozen 2 items or just frozen items. I thought this would be perfect for a little girl, and it's super inexpensive. This basket only cost $7. They had pencils, stickers, puzzles. I thought this little blue pillow was really cute with it. This book, I know it says A Birthday Wish, but anyone who loves Frozen isn't even gonna care. So I like to put all the taller things in the back. Obviously, it kind of makes it a little more full, and then you can see the smaller things towards the front. This was seriously super simple. You could always use like a gift bag if they have Frozen. You could always wrap it with frozen wrapping paper. I know I've seen frozen wrapping paper at the Dollar Tree, but I just had this Farm Fresh Christmas tree basket. This was also from Dollar Tree, and I just absolutely love this. I always use like the little shredded paper. I actually got that from Confetti Collection. I always just save all of that stuff. So this next one right here is just a nice little, I don't want to say spa gift set, but it's more just like a nice little lotion, shower, hand lotion, socks, all sorts of things like that. They had face scrub, sponges. You get a 4-pack for only $1. They had a 2-pack of hand cream, and this is really nice. The Bolero stuff is actually nice. I use a lot of the products. I love the hand creams. I love the Dollar Tree socks. They're just as soft and nice as things at Kohl's. I actually bought socks from Kohl's recently, and 2 out of 4 pairs already have holes in them. And the Bolero face wipes, I use those to take makeup off, and this is amazing. I love how everything matches, and I think this is a perfect gift basket for your mom or for your grandma or a teacher. Maybe not a teacher, but anyways, it's good for any kind of lady. This next one, I found some name brand products. They had the Yes To items. Again, I found face masks. I found these Breathe Easy essential oil pocket aromas. There was a Breathe Easy one. There was Alert one. There was quite a few of them, and you just kind of smell them. And I liked the Breathe Easy one because everybody gets sick towards the winter time. And I just used this little red truck box. This came from Dollar General. Hot Cold iPads. And I just think this is a small but sweet and thoughtful gift.
Is having so much fun. The snowman is...
This next gift basket is probably one of my favorites. So they had movies, DVDs, name brand food items from the Dollar Tree. I love making these little movie night baskets. I think anybody would love these. I know Scarlett, my 9-year-old, loves these movies, and who doesn't like a good movie night when it's cold outside?
Twice the size is me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
This last little gift basket, I thought this would be a fun, cozy gift basket. I think my grandma would really like this, so I kind of picked her items up for this. This is specifically for her. She loves Sudoku puzzles, word searches, and sometimes they have some really nice books from the Dollar Tree. And then I just added one of these little clip-on lights, so if you want to read in the dark. You guys, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below. And let me know what other gift baskets you guys make from the Dollar Tree. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!